Imagine earning extra income through something as accessible as YouTube. Picture yourself harnessing the power of this platform, not just for entertainment or self-expression, but as a veritable source of revenue. This isn't just a pipe dream. It's a reality for many content creators across the globe. And the truly exciting part? Earnings can exceed $10,000 a month. YouTube is not just a video sharing platform, it's a universe teeming with opportunities. Success stories abound, from channels that cater to niche interests to those that have become household names. One notable example is Mr. Beast, a creator who has turned his passion into a profitable venture and extreme fortune, as you probably already know. But how does one navigate this vast universe? Enter CashcowXpress. This isn't just a name, it's a guide, a mentor, a companion on your journey to YouTube success. Over the past 5 years, CashcowXpress has guided thousands of budding creators behind the scenes, helping them find their footing and soar to new heights. Countless individuals have even managed to replace their regular jobs with their YouTube earnings, their income skyrocketing as they mastered the platform. Now, CashcowXpress is ready to share its wealth of information, experiences, and strategies accumulated over the years in this channel. We're not selling secrets, we're sharing knowledge. We're extending a hand to those ready to embark on this exciting journey. In the upcoming 20 videos, we will guide you through the intricate landscape of YouTube. We will explore every nook and cranny, leaving no stone unturned. The information is out there, yes, but CashcowXpress has done the legwork, compiling everything you need to know in a comprehensive, easy-to-understand format. So, are you ready to tap into the potential of YouTube? Are you ready to turn your aspirations into reality and possibly earn more than $10,000 a month? With CashcowXpress, realizing this potential is within your reach. Welcome to CashcowXpress, your reliable partner in navigating the world of YouTube. We're here to help you harness the immense potential of this platform to turn your dreams into reality. Imagine a platform that has already helped thousands of creators worldwide to kickstart their YouTube channels and earn a substantial income, all while doing what they love. Yes, that's CashcowXpress for you. We're not just another YouTube guide. We are a proven trailblazer, a beacon of success in the ocean of content creation, working behind the YouTube scene, but now started this brand new channel for you. Yes, for you. And the best part? We've been doing this for 5 years now, helping hundreds to quit their mundane jobs and embrace a life of freedom and creativity. But we're not stopping there. We believe in sharing the wealth of knowledge and experience we've accumulated over these years. That's why we're rolling out this channel with a series of 20 free videos that will take you on a journey from being a YouTube novice to a successful creator. These videos are your roadmap to success. They are packed with practical, tried and tested strategies, tips and secrets that have helped thousands of creators like you. From choosing the right programs to implementing them effectively, we've got it all covered. Remember, there are no secrets to success. It's all out there on the internet, but at CashcowXpress, we've done the hard work for you. We've gathered all the information and packaged it into these 20 videos, making it easier for you to navigate your way to YouTube success. Do you want to earn an extra income or even make over $10,000 a month? It's possible with CashcowXpress. Of course, your success ultimately depends on you, but we're here to provide you with all the tools and guidance you need. So why wait? Join us on this exciting journey. No fees, no risks, just a wealth of knowledge and a community of like-minded creators waiting to welcome you. Stay tuned with CashcowXpress and embark on a journey that could change your life forever. Watch this video until the end to discover which requirement we are the only one to make, so that you can watch all the videos. No, it won't be money, as you probably might think, just time. It's for free. In the upcoming series, CashcowXpress will unfold the roadmap to YouTube success. This extraordinary journey will guide you through the labyrinth of possibilities that YouTube offers. CashcowXpress will be your reliable partner, illuminating the path to success with detailed insights and practical strategies. Our series will cover a broad spectrum of topics essential for running a successful YouTube channel, from the use of cutting-edge AI tools and programs to effective strategies for content creation and channel management. We will share our knowledge acquired over the past 5 years. We assure you that no detail will be left out. We will dive into the nitty-gritty of channel optimization, audience engagement, and even the art of video editing. We will walk you through how to leverage the power of AI tools, making content creation a breeze even for those who do not consider themselves creative. These tools have been transforming the digital landscape, and we will show you how to harness their power. We will also introduce you to various affordable tools, ensuring that your journey to success doesn't break the bank. Our series will also reveal how to implement effective strategies for channel growth. And we'll explore how to navigate YouTube's algorithms, optimize your content for search, and engage with your audience in a way that encourages them to stick around. We will also share tips on running a successful YouTube channel, from scheduling your content to managing your community. We'll guide you on how to create a consistent brand, build a loyal audience, and monetize your channel effectively. Moreover, we will analyze successful YouTube channels like Mr. Beast, Alux, King Luxury, Business Motiversity, and the fast-growing channel Green Tech Goals, which unfolds new unknown green technology to give our planet Earth a sustainable future. We will break down their strategies and show you how to apply them to your own channel. And remember, you don't have to show your face to be successful on YouTube. Many of these channels have achieved great success without revealing their identity. So, are you ready to navigate the exciting world of YouTube with CashcowXpress? Unlock the secrets to YouTube success with CashcowXpress. Your journey towards achieving your dreams starts here. CashcowXpress is not just a guide, but a community. Picture this, a platform that offers you a comprehensive roadmap to financial success on YouTube, where there is no need to pay a hefty fee, and you're not alone in your journey. Welcome to CashcowXpress. In the world of YouTube monetization, CashcowXpress stands out like a beacon, guiding those who dare to venture into the exciting realm of cash cow videos. It's a treasure trove of tools and resources that are not only affordable, but also easy to use. From the budding YouTuber to the seasoned video creator, CashcowXpress is the go-to guide for everyone. But CashcowXpress is more than just a guide, it's a community of creators just like you who are on a quest to turn their YouTube channels into veritable cash cows. Sharing your journey with friends makes the experience even more enjoyable. Together you can learn, grow, and thrive. You may think that you need to be a creative genius to succeed on YouTube. Well, with CashcowXpress, that's not the case. Thanks to the upcoming AI tools we'll be discussing in our series, creativity will no longer be a hurdle. You'll be able to create compelling content that draws in viewers and keeps them hooked, all without breaking a sweat. Remember, CashcowXpress has already helped thousands of creators to make a good start and take off with making extra money. Hundreds have even quit their jobs because their earnings went through the roof. Imagine being one of them. Imagine earning more than $10,000 a month from your YouTube channel. It's possible, and CashcowXpress can show you how. We've accumulated a wealth of knowledge and experience over the past 3 years, and we're giving it all away for free in our video series. All the secrets, all the tips and tricks, all the little details that can make a big difference to your success. We leave no stone unturned. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Are you ready to transform your life, to make extra money, or even earn more than $10,000 a month? CashcowXpress is your ticket to YouTube success, and the journey starts now. Are you ready to change your life with CashcowXpress? Imagine a future where you're in control, earning an income that no traditional job could match. That's the power of YouTube, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. You see, at CashcowXpress, we've been through the trenches, we've seen the highs and the lows, and we're here to share our experiences, our knowledge, our secrets with you. We've spent the last 5 years honing our craft, perfecting our methods, and now we're ready to pass that wisdom on, all for free, all within your reach. We've seen creators just like you break free from the shackles of traditional jobs, earning more than $10,000 a month. But it's not just about the money. It's about the freedom, the flexibility, the joy of creating something of your own. It's about waking up every morning excited to face the day, to share your content with the world. But we can't do it for you. You need to be ready to commit, to learn, and to put in the work. The journey may not always be smooth, but we assure you it's worth it. And with CashcowXpress, you're never alone. We're here, ready to guide, ready to support, ready to celebrate your successes with you. So what's stopping you? There's no fee, no hidden charges, just a wealth of knowledge waiting to be tapped. All we ask is that you subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and be prepared for the journey of a lifetime. Please notice this. We will take off with the next video after reaching a minimum of 2,500 subscribers on this channel. The reason is simple. All the knowledge, effort, and experience we put in the series of 20 videos for you represent a value that we ourselves say that there must be sufficient interest. YouTube has given us so much during the last 5 years. We realize this journey for a large group of people. We want to change the lives of as many people possible, not for a select group of people. So share this journey with your friends and as many people possible, because success is sweeter when shared. And remember, you don't have to be the next Mr. Beast or show your face like a Lux or King Luxury. You can create your own path, your own brand, your own success story. CashcowXpress is more than just a channel, it's a community of dreamers, creators, and achievers. A community that's ready to welcome you with open arms. Join CashcowXpress today and start your journey to YouTube success. Remember, the possibilities are limitless. As we wrap up, remember, your journey with CashcowXpress is more than financial success. It's about personal growth, creativity, community, and joy. We implore you to aim for success and enjoy the journey. That's what ultimately matters. Welcome to CashcowXpress. Let's create something amazing together.